Hi, Troy. How are you? Bringing these goods to Car City? Troy, watch out! Oh, are you okay, Troy? Can you move? These goods must be delivered by today itself. You definitely need some help. But don't worry, Troy. We can get Carl the Transformer truck to replace you for a day. He will surely get the work done.
Whoa!
You wait here, and I will get Carl.
Ooh!
Hey, Carl. Troy, the goods train, needs help with transporting goods. Will you come? Great. Let's get going. So which vehicle will you get transformed to?
What?
A train engine, no doubt. Time to transform Carl.
What?
Awesome! Look at those wheels! Whoa! You look so different! Perfect! You almost look like Troy! Now let's go find Troy. Look, Carl.
What?
Troy, the goods train, is waiting for us.
Whoa!
So let's get going.
Oh!
Carl, let's put the cars on the tracks first.
Whoa! Huh?
Great work,
Whoa.
Carl. Relax, Troy. Carl will make sure all the goods reach the destination on time. Here comes the first station. Carl, look, there's Tom. Great going, Carl. Let's deliver the next package. Hey, this is Frank the fire truck waiting for us. Hi, Frank.
Oh.
Here's your container. Now to the last station, Carl. There's Matt. Here you go, Matt. Here's your package. Well, the work is done. Thanks so much, Carl. You saved the day. Time to go home. Bye, Carl. See you soon. What have you been up to, Spid? Getting a short nap? That's not a bad idea before a race, especially since today you will have to run against all-terrain vehicles on a tricky jungle track. Yes, the other cars are specialized for extreme conditions, but we'll get you ready for the race in no time. Let's see what Rob has for you this time. New tires and shock absorbers will help you on a bumpy track. But you need to pay attention to visibility at all times and keep your headlights on. Let's get the race going. 3, 2, 1, go! Come on, Spid. Push up the pace. That's a very close race. Can you keep up with the black car, Spid? Oh, we have an accident on the road. Spid is using his chance and now has the lead. Congratulations, Spid! You navigated a difficult track and arrived first. That was a great race. Hello, friends. Welcome to Coursopolis. Today, we're going to see an incredible race between vehicles, each faster than the next. Here comes the red car. It's Spid, the race car. And here are his two competitors for the day, the two monster trucks. They are really quite big. Hi, Spid. How are you? Are you ready for this race? Great. Let's go to the garage. Let's get you ready for the race. We're going to need to spruce you up. Here we are in the garage where we can add lots of accessories. Oh, here's Rob the mechanic. Hi, Rob. He's going to help us get Spid ready for his race. What does he have in mind? We begin by putting a fin on the back of Spid. Rob adds a super powerful exhaust pipe. And finally, a turbo boost. Let's not forget your participant sticker. There. Perfect. Thank you, Rob. There. Spid is finally ready to confront the two monster trucks. The race participants go towards the starting line. Look, the confrontation might be terrible. All the participants are extremely focused. Now, all the vehicles are on the starting line. The tension is mounting. Three, 2, 1, go! The monster truck started before Spid. He's going to need to work hard to catch up. The two monster trucks are head-to-head, but Spid is catching up bit by bit with his competitors. He's taking the curves perfectly, and he looks very determined to catch up. Now, he's just behind the first monster truck. The two competitors are neck and neck. Whoa! The monster truck, too busy looking at Spid, didn't see the turn and got off the track. Will Spid be able to catch up with the second competitor? Look out! It's the loop stage of the race, which the monster truck clears with no problem. Will Spid pass it? And yes! Well done! Watch out! It's almost the end of the race, and the monster truck is still ahead. While the monster truck continues straight ahead, Spid decides to take a jump. And look, he's using his turbo. Incredible! Spid passes up the monster truck and crosses the finish line first. There, it's done. Bravo to all the competitors, and to Spid for having won this race.
Hello, friends. Today we're going to attend a thrilling race with amazing vehicles. Oh, look, it's Spid, the racing car. And here are his two competitors, Bulldozers. They love to race against each other. Hello, Spid. Are you ready for the race? Awesome. But first, let's go to the garage and spruce you up. Oh, hello, Rob. How are you doing? Rob is the mechanic. He's going to help us get Spid ready for the race. Let's start by taking off the tires and replacing them with brand new ones. Then, let's put a spoiler on the back of the car. Spid will go faster that way. And finally, a new engine. Great, Spid. Are you ready for the race? Okay then, let's go. And here is the track. This race is going to be amazing. The three competitors are in the starting blocks and are waiting for the signal. 3, 2, 1. Go! And they're off. Come on, Spid. Awesome, Spid. You're catching up. Watch out. The road is scattered with rocks. One bulldozer is out of the race. Look, a super long bridge. Who's going to be first on the bridge? Woohoo! Spid has overtaken the bulldozer. Whoa! They're both on the bridge. And yes! Spid wins the race. Well done, Spid.
Today, we're going to attend a thrilling race in the mountains with Spid and his friends. Here is Spid the racing car. And here are his two competitors, the Snowplough and the Snow Monster Truck. Hello, Spid. How are you? Are you ready for the race? Awesome. But first, let's go to the garage. Look, it's Rob, the mechanic. Want to help us get Spid ready for the race? Great! Let's start by taking off the wheels. Let's change the bottom of the car to put the caterpillar on it. This will help Spid drive on the snow. Perfect, Rob. Spid, you're going to catch a cold outside. We need to cover you up. These earmuffs suit you very well. You are now ready for the race. And here is the track. The three participants are on the starting line and are waiting for the signal. 3, 2, 1, go! And they're off. Come on, Spid. Whoa, Spid, you're very good. Watch out for the trees. Careful, Spid. There's a frozen lake. Now the bumps. Well done, Spid. It must be very slippery. And the snowplow is out of the race. What an amazing track! And now the looping. Awesome! Come on, Spid! And Spid crosses the line first. Fantastic from the Red Racer. See you next time for another incredible race. Subscribe. Tom the Tow Truck. Hi, Edgar. Looks like you have a busy day ahead. Hey, careful. Wow, you must be good at this. Good work, Edgar. Those look heavy to me, Edgar. Be a bit extra careful, buddy. Hey, Edgar, are you all right? No, the bucket is broken. How will you complete your work? But Edgar, don't you worry, all right? I will call Tom the Tow Truck, and he will fix you in no time. Hey, Tom. Tom, we need your help. Edgar the Excavator is in trouble. He needs to be helped quickly. Let's hurry, Tom. The left. Quick. Great, Tom. Now take a right at the junction. It will lead you to the construction site. Here we are at the construction site. Can you see where Edgar is, Tom? It's okay, Tom. Come along. You'll be fine. Just be a bit extra careful. Look there, Tom. Can you see Edgar now? Poor Edgar. He looks so upset. Hey, Edgar, Tom is here. There is nothing to worry about anymore. Let's take you to the garage, Edgar. Are we ready, Tom? Come on, let's go. Careful, Tom. Difficult ride, eh, Tom? But see, we have reached the garage now. Edgar, Tom will take a look at you now. So what do you think, Tom? Yes, let's find a new bucket for Edgar. Will this one do, Tom? No? What about this one? No? How about this? Perfect. Great. So the bucket is fixed now. Now, what next, Tom? Yes, you're right. We will need to repair that door. There, Tom. I can see the welder in the third shelf. Are we forgetting anything else, Tom? Exactly. The protective headgear to protect your eyes from the welding sparks. Time to get started. Careful now, Tom. You too, Edgar. Wow, it looks good, Tom. No more hanging doors to worry about, Edgar. Does that make you a happy excavator? I bet it does. Anything else, Tom? Are you thinking what I'm thinking, Tom? Perfect. Let's get started then. Time for a wash, Edgar. Looks like Edgar is enjoying it. As good as new, aren't we, Edgar? Now you're good to go. Bye, Edgar. Have fun. Oh, Tom, look, your alarm is ringing. It looks like someone else in Car City needs your help, Tom. Wait here, and I will go and see who needs your help. Hi, Jeremy. How are you? Hey, Jeremy, careful. Watch out. Uh-oh, Jeremy, are you all right? I will call Tom the tow truck to fix you. Just wait here, okay? Tom. Hey, Tom. Jeremy the taxi needs your help. Come on, let's hurry. Yes, Tom. Just keep going. To your left, Tom. Oh, wait, Tom. The red light. Time to go. Hey, Jeremy. Tom is here. He will be able to help you. Time to go to the garage, Jeremy. Let's get going. We have reached the garage now. Well, let's begin. So, how do we go about this, Tom? Yes, let's start by changing Jeremy's front grille. It must be painful. This one will work perfectly. You already look better, Jeremy. Now let's see what's wrong with the engine. Oh, yes, we need to change this. Look, there on that shelf, Tom. Will that do? So let's take the old engine out and replace it with a new one. Great! Oh, look at that, Tom. That crack on Jeremy's windscreen is big enough. Yes, we'll use that suction cup to remove the windshield. Ready, Jeremy? 1, 2, 3. Great! Now, time to find the new windscreen. There. Will that do, Tom? Oh, all right. It is too big for Jeremy. What about that? Perfect. Cool. Jeremy, you look perfect now. Uh-oh, that rooftop sign is a bit shaky. What do you think, Tom? Tom, you have exactly what Jeremy needs, don't you? Great, Tom. So which would you choose? This one, Tom? No? What about this, Tom? Perfect. Time for the old sign to go. The new one is all shiny and fancy. Jeremy looks so happy. Bye, Jeremy. Have a great day. You too, Tom. Bye. Hey, guys. You look really busy today. Trust me, the day is going to get busier. The city wants your help in constructing a new train station. Does it sound interesting to you? Well, come along then. Oh, yes, Ethan. You can pick up the materials you may need at the construction site. Let's get going. Let's go to the construction site. Yeah, we're almost there. There's the choo-choo train. Bye-bye, choo-choo train. Well, we have reached the construction site. I am sure we will find everything we need here. So what do we have? The roofing for the train station. Which one will you choose, Ethan? Great choice. Daddy Truck is willing to carry the roofing, Ethan. Thanks, Daddy Truck. What do we have next, Ethan? Well, we need them for the foundation, don't we? Oh, Lucy, those concrete blocks are too heavy for you. Ethan can carry the concrete blocks, while Lucy can help with the lamp posts. Great! So are we done, guys? Let's go to the city and get to work. Are you guys ready? Thanks for clearing out the space, Mommy Truck. Let's start with the foundation blocks. Great work, Daddy Truck. Okay, so the walls go up next. That's perfect. We have the roofing left now. Perfect, Ethan. Now we have just the lampposts left. Perfect, Lucy. We're done with the train station. So, what time is the next train? Uh-oh! Did we forget the clock? But where are you going, Daddy Truck? Daddy Truck is back with the clock. Perfect. It is going to be 12 o'clock. There. I can hear the next train already. Great. We have built a fully functional train station. Kudos to you. I bet you guys are tired. Time to go home now. Bye, friends. See you later.